What's up, Rutgers University? John Cardinale here, and we have made it to March 27th, and it's starting to feel like spring. We hit right around averages at 54 and 30. We're 54 and 34, so we're perfectly normal for this time of year. Our records of 78 and 18, we're not near those, but you know, still, I would say it's a pretty nice day, especially compared to previous days that were probably a bit below average. Our sunset today was at 7:17 p.m. and our sunrise will be at 6:49 a.m. Let's take a look at how everyone else did around us today. Ithaca hit a high of 47, Hartford 54, Newark 52, Camden and Baltimore at 51, and State College at 43. Now let's take a look at the forecasted lows for these areas. Ithaca low at 29, Hartford dropping down to 34, Newark also 34, Camden 33, Baltimore 42, and State College 28. Now I have lots to show you on this map, and I mean just one giant big blue H. There's a lot of high pressure going on all around us. Really no big systems developing, nothing really to talk about actually. But you know what? I'm going to talk about this big blue H and how we're just going to have a pretty mild looking spring, it looks like so far. Tonight's forecast, pretty cloudy. There is a chance of jimmies or sprinkles, whatever you want to call them, wherever you're from. Low of 32 degrees, winds northwest 6 miles per hour. The winds will continue to come from the northwest, but at 7 miles per hour on Thursday morning. We'll probably see a little bit of sun, but the temperature around 35 degrees, and the cloud will be increasing throughout the day. As in Thursday, you'll probably see mostly clouds. Chance of showers probably during the day, probably really light though. A high of 49 degrees, and winds once again northwest, but now picking up to 10 to 13 miles per hour, which is still not that bad. Thursday night, we see a forecast of probably mostly cloudy, a low of 44. The winds are settling down again northwest, but 7 to 9 miles per hour. Now let's take a look at how the rest of the week is going to do. Like I said, Thursday, you know, it's probably going to be mostly cloudy, high of 52 during the day with a low of 33. Friday, it's going to be mostly sunny with a high of 54, a low of 33. Saturday, though, looks like a nice spring day. Very sunny, high of 54, low of 35. Sunday, though, a couple clouds might creep in and be a high of 53 and a low of 41. Monday, partly cloudy, high of 55, low of 34. If you want to catch this forecast again, I think it airs every 15 minutes on Channel 6, or you can go to our Facebook page and like us, or follow us at Twitter, or even we have a website at rutv.rutgers.edu. Rutgers, I'm John Cardinale, and I hope we have a great spring.